Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Shengda Communications. Today I would like to introduce the SY-4G Vehicle mounted antenna to all friends working in logistics, vehicle communications, and the automotive market. Hello. In long-distance transportation, fourth-generation signal interruptions can cause navigation failures and traffic delays, while signal attenuation in remote areas leads to reduced operational efficiency. These are common challenges faced by the industry. Today, I will introduce the SY-4G Vehicle-mounted fourth-generation LTE antenna. With a frequency range from 698 to 2,700 Hz, it covers all bands and provides a 4.5 decibel gain to ensure stable signal reception. Compared to ordinary car antennas, the SY model seems to better understand the needs of driving. With its 90mm short and thick design, it's more flexible than traditional long antennas, creates less wind resistance at high speeds, doesn't block your view, and won't shake or break even during off-road bumps. The main body uses an ABS shell and a copper core. The copper core offers excellent conductivity, maintaining stability even in harsh conditions like high temperatures and heavy rain. With a moderate weight of 0.5, combined with a stable mounting structure, it is not prone to falling off even after long-term use. The classic black appearance also blends seamlessly with various car styles, preserving the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. Dual interface compatibility for zero-barrier installation. To meet the installation requirements of different vehicle models, the SY-4G offers two universal interface options, NMO and PL259, suitable for vehicles where the original antenna has not been replaced. Just tighten it directly to secure. Some models support a magnetic base, eliminating the need for drilling or wiring. Simply attach it to a metal part of the car roof to complete the installation. Get it done in 10 minutes, and it's easy to remove if you need to transfer it to another vehicle later. Whether it's a truck, sedan, or off-road vehicle, it can be quickly adapted, significantly reducing installation costs. As a manufacturer specializing in automotive communication accessories, we support the Shengda brand and provide comprehensive OEM services. On the production side, we strictly adhere to automotive-grade quality standards. From the selection of ABS raw materials to precision concentric machining, every process undergoes inspection. Finished products must pass 3 core tests: signal transmission stability, high temperature resistance, and vibration fatigue, ensuring they meet the demanding requirements of automotive environments. We have already provided supporting services to numerous automakers and communication equipment suppliers. Our customization capabilities are equally flexible. We can adjust interface types and casing colors according to customer requirements and enhance waterproof and dustproof performance for special vehicles. If you're troubled by poor 4G signal or complicated installation, you can apply for a free SY-4G sample to test the signal improvement on different road sections. Interface adapters are available on our official website. Bulk purchases with installation tutorials are eligible for tiered discounts. Feel free to click the link in the video description to visit our official website or leave your vehicle model and usage scenario in the comments section. We welcome your inquiries and will promptly provide you with a customized compatibility solution. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.